So this is a 2003 330i. It's a ZHP, which is just dealer shorthand for performance package. It's just a little bit fancier than the regular one. Originally I wanted an E46 M3. Then after working at OMS for quite some time, I got to learn all of the good, the bad, and the ugly, and decided that I was not quite prepared for the ugly parts of the S54. My coworker actually told me about this car, a ZHP, that it's kind of like a baby M3. I'll probably get some flack for that because a lot of people disagree. But it's pretty much the same motor that's in the base model 330i, with the exception of hotter cams, so it gives it a honest 10 more horsepower, and it brings the red line up just about 300. The suspension on the ZHP is a little bit fancier than the base model. Stiffer springs, anti-roll bars, it has an underbody cross brace in the front, came from the factory with wider, stickier tires, so it's just like the base model's cooler older brother a little bit, and it just ended up being exactly what I was looking for at the time. So we hopped on Craigslist, he found me one, this one actually. The guy drove about 45 minutes to have us inspect it, and it all checked out. It had just, like the normal BMW stuff, an oil leak here, a mount cracked there, but I loved it. So I slept on it, and the next day I was a proud owner of my ZHP. Her name is Claire. Came from the factory staggered with an 18x8 setup in the front and 18x8.5 in the rear. I just switched those out for some Apex Arc 8s. Nothing too fancy, but I really like how they look, and now it's a square setup, so 18x8 all around. I put a Stewart Racing water pump in it, and that's pretty much it. So it's very much stock. I did order some KW V2 coilovers and Vorschlag camber plates, so those will go on soon, and I think from there I'll just get an exhaust. I really like the Rogue DMS exhaust, and that's probably it. I don't plan on doing too much. I really like her how she is, so just want to accentuate her natural beauties.